Hello and welcome to Industrial Surplus. Today we're doing a video demonstration of an Okuma Howa Millac 438V 4-axis capable CNC vertical machining center, built new in 2000. It's equipped with a Fanuc 18IM control. The table size on this machine is 41.3 by 16.1 inches. Travels at 32 by 17 roughly by 17 3/4. It's equipped with a Cat 40 spindle taper, 20 position tool changer, 60 to 10,000 RPM spindle range. Has a spindle oil refrigeration unit, 160 meter part program storage, Renishaw interface card for tool probe and a part probe. I don't have the tool holder for it, but it's set up, equipped. Like I said, it's equipped for a 4th axis CNC rotary table. I don't have that available, but it is capable of using it quickly. It's also equipped with coolant pump and tank. I have a set of manuals for this machine on a disc. Has auto lube, rigid tapping, and a 24 horsepower 2-speed direct drive spindle. So we'll go ahead, we have a program in here, we'll turn it on and show you in operation. Very quiet, smooth running machine. Spindle is extremely quiet. Right now we're running at about 2,000 RPM. After we do this tape here, or this program, we'll go through the range. Now we're at 3,750 RPM. Coolant pump and tank is not currently here with the machine. It's in another part of the building, but it is equipped with it. Okay, that's the end of the program. We'll go into manual mode where we could run the spindle speeds for you. Up here, it's equipped with a little hydraulic booster for clamping applications. If you ever use hydraulic clamping, it's on the machine. You just need to connect your hoses. Okay, right now we're at 3,300. That's the 50% range. Now we're going to climb up to 140%, I guess. 4,700, 5,300, 6,000, 67, 74, 8,000, 87, 94, 10,000. We could barely hear the difference there, standing right next to the machine. Down to 33, up to 10,000. and number of cutting hours. I don't know, we find it a little hard to believe, and you probably will too, but it's showing 1,018 cutting hours, just judging from the machine and the chips and the little residual oil or whatever they were, cutting fluid, I guess. You'd have to say it was used more than that, but boy, does it sound good all the same. So let me do a quick walk around, and I'll show you the electrical cabinet and the back side of the machine, and that should do it for you. This is the oil chiller up here, tool changer, carousel, 20 position. I don't know if you can see anything, but heavy duty box ways on this machine. Very well built, rugged machine for serious cutting. It's equipped with automatic lube system here. Electrical cabinet, very clean, neat, organized. Nobody's been in here disrupting anything. Real nice machine. It's equipped with the manual pulse generator, RS-232 port, and of course the 18i control. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you. Please give us a call if you're interested in this machine or any others that you see on our website. Thank you.